Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true 138 Super Sport. Guys, it's got 2,200 miles on a complete frame-off rotisserie restoration. Beautiful car, guys. It's the floorboards are painted red like the top of the car. It's finished in torch red. It's got the black vinyl interior. It's got the date code correct, a date code correct 396 motor in it, so it's not a matching numbers car, but it is an era correct block, I should say. Muncie 4-speed. They've converted it to disc brakes. Sorry guys, I'm struggling with a spring cold here, and it's got my voice about worn out. They've converted it to disc brakes. It's got all brand new ZR rated rubber with 18 and 20 inch American Racing torque thrust wheels all the way around it. Pretty car. Car's got a great look to it. Again, it is a true 138 Super Sport car. Very nicely done car. You can see the chrome and stainless are nice on the car. I didn't see a whole lot that I could, that I could pick on it. There's a couple little, saw a couple little scratches in the paint, but there's not a whole lot. I mean, it's really a pretty car. You can see the dash is all done nice in there. Little scratches in the rear glass. As I always say, guys, if you've watched any of my videos before, these are all old cars. You can find something on any of them. Bought this car to show us that down in Tennessee, and like I say, just a really nicely done car and pretty darn fresh. Again, only 2,200 miles on it since it was done. Nice and flat down the sides. Sorry guys, that's just a couple little water driplets. Again, same thing here. You see how nice the frame is in there? And they've done a nice job when they did this car. Again, they've converted it to front disc brakes. Again, it is not a matching numbers car, but it is an era correct 396 block, Holley dual feed 4-barrel, aluminum intake. It's got stock exhaust manifolds, power steering. It's got power front disc brakes, HEI distributor. It is a Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Got the chrome air cleaner, the chrome valve covers. It's got, you can see he's put the aluminum pulleys on it. they've definitely replaced the A-pillars on it. Those are awfully nice if not. See, it's got the newer rubbers in it, new mirrors. It looks like the door handles are new door rubbers. That's just a little dust, guys. New carpet, new sill plates. It's bucket seats, console. I gotta be honest with you, man, I do not like that shifter, and it's a Hurst shifter. I'm not real big on it, to be honest with you. The guys still wanted me to go ahead and advertise it, but believe me, you could talk me into a different shift handler on this car. It's got a polished Ididit column with a billet steering wheel. See, the headliner's new. The dash is really nice. The gauges were nice. 2230 on the odometer. It's got an aftermarket tach here. That's actually where the knee knockers were. That's kind of cool how they put it there. You can see the clock in there works and the console. Aftermarket radio. Again, I'm just not real hip on the shifter. To each their own, but definitely something that if I was going to drive this car, I would change that. I don't like it. Yeah, just a water drop up there, guys. Same thing, sorry. You can see they've actually body colored the trunk. Done a nice job with that. They were spackle painted, of course, from the factory. And you can see this car is gorgeous underneath. Floorboards are painted body color. Dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt rear end. He said it's just got a cruising gear in it too. It's not a big gear, probably like a 323 rear gear. Seats look good. They're definitely all refoamed and padded. Have Jay come out here and fire it up. Well, these are really nice, man. They've definitely replaced those. Yeah, just a good running 396, no big monster cam or anything like that. See the choke works. Car's got a good look to it, man. Fuel gauge does work, Jay?
Yep. Yeah. Speedo, all the gauges work.
Okay. Oh, pressure gauge, tach's working. Parking brake?
Yep.
Parking brake does work, guys. Little sweetheart, man. Radio works. Blower motor?
Yep.
Blower motor does work, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, feel free to pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, that is a pretty car, man. It's just got a good look to it. Have a great day, guys.